Vacas Parangal Awards, many wondered why PNP Chief Nicanor Bartolome was not in his police uniform. Some inferred Bartolome might have already been appointed to replace Undersecretary Puno at the DILG, but Director General Bartolome clarified that nothing is final yet. Again, the details from Aya Macalma.
PNP Chief Director General Nicanor Bartolome has not made up his mind on the position of the Department of Interior and Local Government for Undersecretary, which was offered by the President Benigno Aquino. The media was surprised today when he was not wearing his uniform at an awarding ceremony held in Camp Aguinaldo, in which everybody thought he opted to retire early for the position that was vacated by Undersecretary Rico Puno yesterday.
Kasi si General Magtap ay non-duty status na. So he is now wearing barong. At pareho lang kami na nagbarong dahil...
Kayo din ba sa non-duty status?
Hindi. As ako kasi ang nagpasa kanina ng kanyang citation. So ganito yung aking sinuot. Do not put any meaning to it. It's just that we need to wear the same attire.
Bartolome said his retirement is still far and there is no concrete plans yet for the position that was offered to him by the President. He also stressed that he is not planning to join politics in the near future.
We thought, sir, na nag-resign ka na yan para tanggapin yung position ni Yusek Puno.
Hindi pa. Matagal pa yung retirement ko. No comment, no? Hindi pa naman namin ito pinag-uusapan. So, no comment sa ito.
Presidente, sir.
Nag-usap na kami in the past, pero wala pa namang final dun sa mga pag-uusap.
Despite that, General Bartolome is going to attend the Senate hearing to the alleged anomalies on the purchase of rifles for the PNP.
Hindi lamang ako, kung hindi yung mga kasamahan natin na mga miyembro ng Bids and Awards Committee, so that when there are specific questions ay masagot.
So willing kayo, sir, i-explain everything that he's questioning.
Wala naman kaming itinatago dito. Transparent naman po lahat tayo. At nararapat lamang na ipaliwanag namin.
For the People's Television, Aya Macalma.